Mastering idiomatic expressions. Put a plug in it. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of idiomatic expressions. We'll unravel the meaning, usage, and nuances of the phrase, put a plug in it. Understanding such expressions is crucial, as they add flavor to language and are commonly used in everyday English. So, let's get started and plug into the learning. Put a plug in it is an idiomatic expression used to tell someone, in a somewhat direct or abrupt manner, to stop talking or to be quiet. The imagery here is akin to plugging a leak or stopping a flow with a plug. Imagine a sink filled with water. When you put a plug in the drain, the water stops flowing out. Similarly, when you tell someone to put a plug in it, you're asking them to stop the flow of words. The phrase is often used in informal settings and can come across as rude or blunt if not used carefully. It's typically directed at someone who is speaking incessantly, perhaps complaining or gossiping, and the speaker wishes to halt the conversation. For example, in a light-hearted tone among friends, "Okay, we've heard enough about your bad date. Put a plug in it, and let's talk about something else." In a serious tone to stop gossip, "I think we should put a plug in this conversation. It's not right to talk about someone who isn't present." While "put a plug in it" is the standard expression, you might also hear variations like "put a cork in it" or simply "plug it." These variations carry the same meaning but might be used based on regional preferences or personal choice. It's important to understand the tone and setting when using this phrase. While it can be humorous and lighthearted among close friends, it can be perceived as offensive in formal or unfamiliar settings. As with any idiomatic expression, the key lies in understanding the context and the relationship between the speakers. Put a plug in it is a vivid idiomatic expression that adds a splash of color to the English language. It's a direct way to ask someone to stop talking, but remember to use it judiciously to avoid misunderstandings. We hope this video has been enlightening and has added a new expression to your English repertoire. Keep learning, and don't hesitate to express yourself.